The Pilgrim's Way is actually many things to many people, and I think everybody has a different reason for doing it. Some people, they want to do it because it's just a long hike through spectacular scenery of Spain. Some people want to do it for the camaraderie. You're doing it as a team with your friends or family. And the other aspect is the spiritual aspect, where maybe you've had a loss in your life or something significant that you need to heal from, and you'll find that on the Camino.
The Pilgrim's Way is a very, very, very different trip. You are going to go on a path that was covered 1,100 years ago. You are going to experience very, very many different emotions. Pilgrim's Way trip covers in just 8 days the most amazing cathedrals in the area, the most beautiful and sightseeing spots, the more mystical points in the pilgrimage, and also guided by experts in the area who have chosen these specific places for you to enjoy. I mean, I'm a local, I live here, and I wouldn't create a better itinerary on the French Pilgrim's Way. We've got this advantage of counting on a bus, always helping us in order to skip or to increase a little bit all the hiking possibilities of our travelers.
And it was nice to be able to skip some of the less interesting parts.
Every time we met up with the van, we were able to refill our water bottles. So our packs were pretty light.
This being our first real guided trip, we didn't know exactly what to expect.
The guys that wilderness travel, they make the journey wonderful. We learn a lot. They put context around things we're seeing.
The trip really combined art, history, architecture, and yet we still were averaging 8 to 10 miles a day.
Walking the Camino, you cover many different landscapes. Some of the trails are open, lots of beautiful landscaping with cows and horses.
Churches all along in the Pilgrim's Way are going to surprise us with a very, very mystical charm.
Then getting into the rolling hills and the forests.
My favorite parts were when the trees arched over the trail, like a beautiful tunnel. And ending up at the coast, it was just a wonderful combination.
Pilgrim's Way is like an scallop shell. All the branches converge in a point, and this point is Santiago. We are going to stay in Santiago in this amazing hotel, settled in the center of the heart of this city.
Us all attending Mass together was incredibly moving.
And seeing the incense, kind of a dramatic highlight, and then being able to continue on to the ocean.
As Santiago did, we want to end the trip at the end of the war.
We had an opportunity to walk on a beautiful beach and see the scallop shells that we had been carrying along as pilgrims, but it became more meaningful. You truly feel like you're at the end of the world, the end of your journey to this point, and then just reflecting on where we go from here.
We will be staying in very nice hotels, and we happen to have been in these hotels for a long time. You are going to share a wonderful experience in these places. We have wonderful food, wonderful wines.
Oh my gosh, it's almost indescribable because there was so much and it was so fabulous. One question I get asked often, like anybody who knows how much I love the Camino, they ask why I have done it 3 times. I'm drawn to it because I love the history, I love the camaraderie, I love the physical aspect of it, and I love Spain.
People trek from here, from the north of Spain, a little bit of our character, a little bit of our feelings, a little bit of our way of life. And I think we arrived home just wishing something to be better. It was a wonderful experience.